The metal baler produced by Bryda factory has 3 ways to take out materials: side push, turnover, and grab directly, which can be customized according to customer needs. It is widely used in steel, casting, automobile, machinery, home appliances, metal recycling, and other industries. It can compress all kinds of metal waste into qualified charge or recycled raw materials, reduce the production cost and environmental pressure of enterprises, and also promote the recycling and sustainable development of resources.